Again, the primary goal for mauling and rugby is to maintain possession, go forward, and to score. So this is a really nice maul where they are pushing forward, they've maintained possession, they're kicking it out to their backs. The next maul you're going to see, we've got a line out here, they're on offense, they are deep, our defense is flat. They've secured the ball, and watch this maul gain so many meters. Nicely done, moving from the 10 meter to the 22 meter mark, as the black team must continue to break off and come around. Then finally they present the ball and kick it out. Another great example here from line out. Secures the ball, mauling it forward. They have to break off and come around from behind until they've got good control, and now they'll present the ball to their backs.